help me to count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all of you together. Let me show you what Tico loves to do. Alright, start now. 1,
2, 3.
good job. One more time. All of you together and louder.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, Tico's lying on her hand. And this is how Tico playing with the other birds in the wild. Everybody, Tico is always star for this wall encounter. For the next 10 minutes, we have conversation with Tico and Maria. Once again, thank you very much for joining us and have a nice day. Thank you.